Good morning, children. Today we are going to do worksheet number 5 and it's based on the revision. Let us quickly go through the worksheet. This is question number 1. Tick the correct answers. Then we'll see every question individually. Then question number 2 is give meanings. Question number 3 is add adjectives to the following nouns. Question number 4, write rhyming words for the following. Question number 5, rearrange the words in the following sentences. So now let us start with question number 1. Now children, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Now in this there are 3 answers given and only one of them is correct. So we have to tick the correct answer. You can even write in the blank given over here. When the emperor was sad, he called for the dash. I read it again. A. When the emperor was sad, he called for the dash. When the emperor was sad, he called for the first option is mullah, second option is dancers, third option is artists. So first answer is correct, children, mullah. Okay, so we can write over here M-U-L-L-A, mullah. Okay, then next question is Rafiq was only dash years old. Rafiq was only dash years old. First option is 6, second option is 8, third option is 10. So Rafiq was only 6 years old. So we can write it over here S-I-X, 6. Okay, now let us go to the next question. Now the next question says give meanings. Give meanings of the first word is directions. Directions means lines and points in different places. Okay, so we can write this also, lines, points in different, D-I-F-F-E-R, it will not fit in over here, so we will write. So the first answer is for the meaning of direction means lines, point or points in different places. Now the second one is shocked. Shocked means upset. Speechless means not able to speak. Okay, and trouble means worries. Okay, so now I'll be writing the answers. I have also attached the answer sheets in this. You may go through it at the end. Okay, so just now we discussed the answers and the answers are on the screen, children. Now let us do question number 3. This is question number 2 is done. Now question number 3. Okay, now it says add adjectives to the following nouns. Now night, sun, trap. Okay, so how is the night? Usually it is dark, isn't it? Or else you can write starry night also. So D-A-R-K, dark. Sun will be bright sun. You can write something else also, children, no problem, but it should be matching to that. Suppose if it is sun, you can write yellow sun, you can write hot sun. Okay, you can write shining sun. Okay, you can write bright sun. There are so many things that can be written. Okay, awful trap, I will not be able to write, I think, in that dash, so I will write it over here, awful, A-W-F-U-L, awful trap. Okay, then the next one is rhyming words. Write the rhyming words for the following. Write the rhyming words for the following means you have to write the rhyming words for the words that are given. And what are rhyming words? Words which end with the same sound. Need not be the spelling, need not be the same. Okay, they should end with the same sound. Like in simple language I can say men, ten, den. They are all ending in n, n, n. Okay, the same way, but here in this case the spellings are also the same, but it is not always. The spellings may be different. Okay, the spellings may be different. So remember, whenever I say rhyming words, that means it has to deal with the sounds. Okay, so the ending sound of the word, the ending sound of the all the words should be the same. When I say more, so it will be more, for, pour. Okay, that means the ending sounds will be same, need not the spellings. Now we will quickly discuss the rhyming words and then I'll write. Okay, door we can write floor, for said we can write bed, where we can write there. Okay, so these are the three rhyming words. Yes, that's only three, so I'll quickly write over there. So here are the answers. You can see I have written over here door, floor, said, bed. Door, floor, said, bed. Now you see children over here, said spelling is different and bed's ending spelling is different, but the sounds are the same. Okay, then where, there, here the endings letters are the same. Okay, so next question, rearrange the words in the following sentences. Okay, now it says A, badly Rafiq today very behaved. Okay, so we will write over here Rafiq behaved very badly today. So we will write one, Rafiq behaved very badly today, or else you can also write today Rafiq behaved very badly. Both the ways it's correct. Okay, then the next one is to all they refused go. So it will begin with they. So they all refused to go. Okay, so now I'll write the answers over here. Here the answers are also there on the screen, children. Rafiq, oh so sorry, Rafiq behaved very badly today, and the second one is they all refused to go. Full stop. Remember to put full stops. Okay, now next question. Now arrange the following words in alphabetical order. I repeat, arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Okay, now we will discuss and then okay, quickly I will discuss the sequence, then we can do it. Now remember, alphabetical order means the word which starts with A will come first, then B will come first, C, like that. Okay, but suppose if there are two words which are starting with A, so then we have to see the second letter. We have to see the second letter of that word. What is the second letter after A? What does it come? Okay, now let us see over here. Like over here it is pink, orange, green, blue, red. Okay, so blue will be first. A B C D if we say, so B comes first. Okay, so B will be blue will be first, then after that it will be green, then orange, pink, and then red. Okay, now in this sequence you have to write it over here. So first you will write blue, BLUE, blue. Okay, then green, then like that. Okay, I am not writing the entire sequence over here, I have numbered them. Now in the next one, dog, donkey, cat, cattle, ant. So ant will come first, isn't it? Why? Because it is starting with A. Then we have C and D. So but we have two words beginning with C. Okay, so both the words are beginning with C. So now let's see which comes first. After C it is A. One second, I'll zoom it so it is clear now. Okay, now you see after here is also C, here is also. So I have to see which letter comes after C. Here it is A and here also it is A. Okay, So then I will see the third letter. It is C, and sorry, it is T, and here also it is T. And then there is no fourth letter, so we will number cat as second. Okay, cat will be second, cattle will be third. Okay, then now number fourth is D. Yes, both the words are beginning with D. Then second letter is O. So DO, here also DO, here also DO. Then DON, DOG. So G comes first or N comes first when you say ABCD? ABCD, EFG, HI, JK, L, M, N. No, G comes first, isn't it? So we will number this as 4. Dog will be 4 and donkey will be 5. Now you will write this in the sequence over here. Begin with ant. You will write ant first, then put a comma, then you write cat, cat, then third one will be cattle. Okay, then dog, and then donkey. Okay, now the next one. Now the next one, children, quickly I'll explain that also. This is a little difficult because all are starting with A. Okay, here all are starting with A. Here all are starting with A. America, Australia, Aurangabad, Agra, Agartala. Okay, now we have to see after A which letter is there. After A which letter? Here it is AM. This is AU, AU again, AG and AG. So when we say ABCD, U comes at the end, we all know, isn't it? So we'll see AG, Agra and Agartala. Now in this Agra and Agartala also you have to see which one will come first. Here it is AG, AG. Okay, then the third one over here is A, but here it is R. So when we say ABCD, A comes first, not R. So we will number Agartala as 1, Agra as 2. Okay, then after that we have America because it's only AM. So that will be 3. Then after that we have AU, AU. Now here it is R and here it is S, isn't it? Here it is R and here it is S. Okay, so R comes first or S comes first? P, Q, R. So this will be 4 and this will be 5. Okay, so now when you write the answers, you will start with Agartala. Then after that, number 2 is what? Agra. Then number 3 is America. 4 will be Aurangabad. 5 will be Australia. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now answer in one question. One sentence. Sorry. Answer in one sentence. Okay. So who made the emperor laugh? Who made the emperor laugh? So here we will write Mullah do Piazza made the emperor laugh. You can also write the funny man made the emperor laugh, but it's better that we write Mullah do Piazza made the emperor laugh. Okay, Mullah do Piazza made the emperor laugh. Okay, then after that we have the next question. Where did Akbar have his court? So where did Akbar have his court? Akbar have will become had. Akbar had his court in Delhi. Okay. So we have both the answers as we discussed, we have written the same way. Akbar have has become had over here. Okay, Akbar had his court in Delhi. Now let us see the next question. Next question says, write the comparative form of the adjective to complete the sentence. Now see, look at the picture. Okay, the man is dash than the boy. Tall is given over here. Okay, so we can write than word is there, so we will write taller. TALLER, taller. Okay, then here we have light word given. Okay, so the eraser is dash than the box. Light, we have to use light word in the blank. So we cannot use light. Why? Because we are comparing two things, and when we compare, we have to use er with the adjective. Okay, we have to add er to that spelling. So the eraser is lighter, LIGHTER, lighter. Okay, than the box. Now next question. Now make sentences. Now make sentences says palace and bullock. So Akbar lived in a huge palace, we can write. Children, you can make simple sentences also. The king lived in a huge palace. Okay, the king lived in a palace, the king lives in a palace, all are correct. The bullock was very strong, the bullock works in a farm. You can write anything of your own also. Okay, not necessarily from the textbook only, but you can write simple sentences wherein the spellings are correct, so that you get correct spellings will fetch you more marks. Okay children, so I'll write the answers over here quickly. So here both the answers are, both the sentences are there on the screen children. That's it. Complete the worksheet in a neat handwriting. Okay children, thank you so much. And nobody is going to write print letters, you all have to write cursive handwriting. Okay children, thank you so much. God bless you children.